everyone. Grab a cup of tea and get comfortable.
Tea? I'm already one step ahead of you, Anastasia. Though, mine might be coffee. Strong coffee.
Ah, the artist's fuel. I knew it. So, speaking of artists, guess what I've been thinking about all week?
Let me guess. Not taxes, I hope?
Definitely not. I've been thinking about paintings, art. You know those things that make people stop and stare, or sometimes just walk past pretending they get it.
Ah, yes, the famous, I totally understand this abstract square face.
Exactly. But seriously, I think art is this fascinating language without words. It's like emotion, frozen in color.
That's beautifully said. And, for me, paintings are like time capsules. You look at one and suddenly you're in another century, another mood.
Mm, true. Like walking into someone's memory.
Or sometimes someone's confusion. But yes, it's powerful.
You know what's funny? When I was younger, I used to think paintings were only for fancy museums. But now, even small street art, it can move me.
Same here. Sometimes the most touching art isn't in a frame. It's on a wall or a napkin or someone's old notebook.
Yes, like that time I saw a street artist in Paris painting the rain. Not people in the rain, just the rain itself.
The rain itself? That's poetic.
It really was, and I thought, this guy's painting something invisible. Out of the box, right?
Completely. That's the thing about art. It makes you look twice.
Do you remember your first painting that really hit you?
Huh. Yeah. It was Van Gogh's Starry Night. I was maybe 12. I didn't understand it, but I couldn't stop staring. It felt alive.
Oh, yes. The sky's like it's breathing.
Exactly. That painting taught me something. You don't have to understand art to feel it.
That's such a great line, George. Art speaks before you think.
I might put that on a t-shirt.
Do it with a little brushstroke design.
You'll design it, I suppose.
Of course, with glitter.
Naturally.
You know what's funny? When I paint, I'm not even thinking of beauty. It's more like letting my mind breathe.
That's the essence of creativity, isn't it? You're not chasing perfection, you're chasing connection.
Yes, and even if no one sees it, it still matters.
Definitely. There's something sacred about that private moment with your own thoughts.
So, you've painted before, right? Or are you one of those I can only draw stick figures types?
Excuse me, my stick figures are emotionally complex.
Sure they are. Tragic stick figures.
One was holding a cup of coffee, actually. So maybe it was a self-portrait.
Oh, that's brilliant.
But it doesn't matter if it's good. Even doodling can calm your mind.
Totally. Like a little meditation. You lose track of time and it's just you and the colors.
And the occasional cat walking across the paper.
Yes, always.
You ever notice how every culture paints differently?
Oh, yes. I love that. In Japan, simplicity, space, silence. In Italy, drama and light.
Right. It's like each culture says, this is how we see the world.
That's beautiful. Maybe that's why I travel, to see through someone else's colors.
When I was in Florence, I saw Botticelli's The Birth of Venus, and I swear for 2 minutes the room disappeared.
I love that feeling when art just takes you somewhere else.
Yeah, it's like time stops and you're part of the painting.
And when you step out, you kind of look at the world differently, right?
Exactly, like it changes the way you see, even just a little.
That's what I love about it. Art doesn't tell you what to think, it invites you.
Yeah, it's not a lecture. It's a whisper.
That's poetic. You've got an artistic soul hiding under that calm exterior, George.
Don't tell anyone. I've got a reputation for logic to maintain.
Your secret's safe.
So if you could have any painting in the world, just one, what would it be?
Oh, maybe Monet's water lilies. I'd never get tired of it. It feels like peace.
Good choice. I'd probably take something from Hopper. You know, those quiet, lonely diners?
Oh, I love Hopper. His paintings are like silence with a heartbeat.
Yes. There's something honest there. He paints solitude, not sadness.
That's true. There's beauty in quiet moments.
So what about modern art? Yay or nay?
Depends. Sometimes I stand in front of a big red canvas thinking, am I missing something?
We've all been there. But sometimes the meaning is the conversation itself.
So you're saying confusion is part of the experience?
Exactly. You don't have to get it, just feel it.
Maybe that's true for life too. We don't always get it.
Yeah, but we can still find color in it.
What about you? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's a painting that moved you?
You know, art really reminds me that beauty isn't about perfection. It's about presence, being in the moment.
Yes, that's such a good reminder.
And if you're still listening, maybe you've been painting a picture in your mind while we talk.
I hope it's colorful and maybe with a few happy accidents, like Bob Ross used to say.
Ah, yes. There are no mistakes, just happy little trees.
If you like this episode, subscribe, leave a like, and share it. It really helps our little studio grow. You know, George, I keep thinking about something you said, that beauty's about presence. I love that. It makes me think how paintings kind of teach us to slow down.
Exactly. You can't rush art. You have to stand still, breathe, and just look.
We scroll so fast, even through beauty, but when you're in front of a real painting, time stands still.
Yeah, it's like your phone battery dies, but in the best possible way.
The best battery death ever. Museums should put that on their walls.
Come in, lose track of time, forget your phone. That's the dream.
There's something magical about the silence in a gallery. You can almost hear the colors.
Yes. Like everyone's whispering with their eyes.
That's beautiful. You're getting poetic again.
It's the coffee. It awakens my inner philosopher.
Maybe your inner artist.
Oh no, that one's asleep. He wakes up only on weekends.
Maybe we all have that inner artist. We just forget to let it out.
Yeah, kids have it naturally. They just draw. No fear.
True. I used to draw on the walls. My parents weren't thrilled.
Anastasia, Picasso does not live here.
Exactly. But they never stopped me. Maybe that's why I still love color.
That's wonderful. Creativity needs space, not judgment.
And adults lose that. We start judging ourselves too soon.
Art isn't about perfection, it's about presence.
Exactly, like cooking or gardening.
Or singing in the shower. No audience, no pressure.
Oh, I bet you're one of those secret shower singers.
Indeed, my shampoo bottles are my biggest fans.
We need an exhibition, the Shower Songs Collection.
Please no, the world isn't ready.
Life itself is art. The way light hits a window or handwriting curves.
Everyday beauty, the art most people overlook.
Maybe art teaches us to see.
Like your morning coffee. The swirl of milk, the steam rising.
Yes, a latte masterpiece.
Earth without art is just, eh.
It's so true. Without imagination, we're just running on routine.
Without it, life's just black and white.
You know what else art does? It heals.
Art as therapy. You can't explain pain with words, but you can paint it.
And when it's on canvas, it feels lighter.
Like sharing the weight.
Warmly, every home needs a painting, not for decoration, but for soul.
IKEA just trembled.
A painting you connect with. It's a quiet friend.
Always there. Saying nothing, but still speaking.
You know, portraits move me the most.
Because of the faces?
Yeah. Faces tell stories without words.
We look at them and wonder what they dreamed about.
Maybe they'd be surprised we're still talking about them.
Imagine explaining selfies to Rembrandt.
Why so many faces?
It's self-expression.
Then use better lighting.
Classic.
Maybe selfies are modern self-portraits.
Nuts. Seem need to be seen,
The heart of art. To say, I exist.
to leave a mark.
You're making me want to paint again.
Do it. Create something.
Maybe I'll paint us podcasting.
Do I need to look serious?
Too late, I'll add glitter to your hair.
Not again.
It suits you.
If by suits you mean sparkles like a disco ball.
Everyone should try to create something, even small.
It reconnects you with yourself.
Be a creator, not just a viewer.
Yes, creativity doesn't need permission.
It's like breathing. You just do it.
The more you do, the easier it gets.
So the secret, less thinking, more doing.
That's a life rule too.
Homemade art is special when someone gives you a painting.
It's not skill, it's heart. Every stroke means care.
A piece of their soul.
That's what makes it timeless.
What about you all listening? Do you have a favorite painting? Or maybe your own creation? Tell us. We'd love to see.
We promise not to judge, unless your stick figure beats mine.
Game on.
When I travel, I always visit local galleries. You learn a country through its colors.
Like Mexico. Bright, bold.
Scandinavia. Quiet tones, soft air.
Every country paints its soul differently.
And every artist adds a heartbeat.
Astronauts said Earth looks like a painting. Fragile, glowing.
Maybe the whole planet is one big artwork.
Then we're all tiny brushstrokes.
Each of us adds color to the world,
Even the messy ones.
especially the messy ones.
Mess creates texture.
If life were a painting, what part would you be?
The sunrise. Chaotic, but hopeful. You?
The horizon. Calm, steady.
We'd make a good painting.
We already are, in sound and words.
That's my favorite line of the day.
I'll take the credit.
Okay, that's a wrap.
You just wanted to say that, didn't you? See you next time.